Okay, dear students. So here is the problem based on vernier caliper applications in which a steel wire of diameter 0.5 mm and Young modulus has been given, and also it carries a mass m. The length of wire has been given 1 meter and vernier scale of 10 division is attached to the end of wire. Okay, so here is a wire. You can see here is a wire like this at which a load has been considered. Okay, so it is mounted like this. Okay, what has been given? Diameter of wire is 0.5 mm, so we can take 10 to minus 3 meter in SI unit. Young modulus has been given 2 into 10 to 11 Newton per meter square. Okay, a length of the wire is 1 meter. Okay, and the next is list count of a main scale. Okay, has been given. We will discuss it later. And again the mass of extra mass 1.2 kg has been updated. Okay, so initially the zero vernier will coincide with the zero main scale of the load in steel wire is connected with 1.2 kg and vernier scale division which coincided with the means you have to tell what is the coinciding line which coincide with the vernier caliper. Okay, so this has been given. The first thing, when you attach a external mass to this, it will extend. Suppose this is extended by delta x. So you have to answer delta x. So we know that delta x is what? FL upon area of cross section in. तो after calculating this, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? फोर्स हो जाएगा mg, m एक्स्ट्रा है आपका, m एक्स्ट्रा into g into l upon area. Area is what? Pi d square before, because diameter has been given, into e. E has been given already. So after putting it, 1.2 into G10, L is 1 meter upon. Okay. So pi by 4, D is what? D is 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 square. E has been given into 2 into 10 raised to 11. Okay. After calculating this value, we are getting 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, which can be written as 0.3 mm. So this is the extension. When you apply an external load, you will get an extension in the wire like 0.3. This is the vernier caliper we have setted here. Vernier caliper यहाँ पे set किया हुआ है, and they are asking you what it reads. Okay. So first we need to know list count of vernier. So list count of vernier is given by MSD minus VSD. MSD has been given. MSD. Where is MSD? This is MSD. This is given MSD. Okay, this is given like MSD. So MSD is 1 mm. You can write 1 mm, and there is also some information about it given. 10 division of vernier scale correspond to 9 division of, so 9 10 10 division of VSD. 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. So VSD would be 9 by 10 MSD. So you can do 9 by 10 mm. Okay. So after calculating, we are getting 0.1 of. So in one division, it gets the value of 0.1 mm. So for 0.3 mm. Okay. So हम कह सकते हैं कि third division of vernier will coincide. So what will be the answer here? Here is, there should be. Okay. And what is the vernier scale? You know very well. Okay. So keep revising it.